In today's video, I'll teach you how to use Zoom Rooms controller app. So if you want to use the Zoom Rooms controller app, it is actually very simple. For that, what you have to do is open the Zoom Rooms controller app in the device. You can see over here I've opened it. If you do not have this application, you can download it from Play Store and App Store. Once you open the application, make sure to log into your app. After you do that, you'll be led to this kind of interface. You can see over here, you can select the room to control. What you have to do is tap on this option, control nearby room. Now in order to pair with the room, what you have to do is enter the room code over here. Tap on the field of room code. Now enter the Zoom room code over here. Once you do that, tap on the done option that you can see on the screen. After that, the controller will be connected with the room. Now you'll be able to control the room from this device only. You can start instant meetings, join scheduled meetings from a calendar, share screens, control volume, camera, etc. You can also manage the participants. So from this device only, you'll be able to control the room. Likewise, in this app, you'll be able to see other settings. For that, tap on the gear icon that you can see at the top right corner of your screen. Now after that, you'll be able to see the settings options over here. If you tap on the option appearance and theme, you can see over here you'll be able to select the appearance and theme over here. Likewise, if you would like to sign out of your account, tap on the option sign out and you'll be able to do it. So like this, you'll be able to use this app. So that is how you use Zoom Rooms controller app. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching.